Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create a private server on Roblox. So some of them you do have to pay for it, some of them are free. Let's see if this one's free. So you just basically select the one that you want and then go to servers, and you're going to select create private server. As you can see, this one's free, so create it, name the server name, maybe mine's like matching. Then you're just going to select buy now because it's free anyways, and you can customize your private server, allow joining and friends allowed maybe, and you can add people to that server, remember, or you can just generate a private server link and copy and paste that and send it to your friend, and they'll be able to join your private server. And that is basically how you can create a private server on Roblox. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!